Welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today's video, we're going to be seeing a new item, which is in this backpack right here. And they call it unreleased? I don't know. I'm just going to call it unreleased too, I guess. So yeah, we're just going to be testing this unreleased item that's in this bag right here. And yeah, you probably already know from the cover. Alright, let's go test this item out. So first, we're gonna see how they look like and rate them. Okay, these are the ones. So apparently if you just press shoot, you can like dig with oars and stuff. You can also use like a thing like this. Or you could from oar like this twice. So it's way faster instead of doing this with two pickaxes. So you could do this. I don't know if these are stronger than pickaxes or less stronger. Wait, can you put them? You could, that's it. Alright, we have one special thing in this bag. The Galaxy. This one's kind of smaller, I think. I don't know the same size, but this one's a Galaxy one. So we're gonna test that one out. Right here. Got a gravel hook. I'm gonna save this one right here. I'm gonna save the Galaxy one, because it's the same thing as just the normal one. And and so we're gonna test this. We're gonna have to get ready. So on this guy, there's nothing, right? I'll save it. I don't care if I die. We already have a gravel, a light, and then we already have a bag. Yeah, I don't really own everything, guys, so don't bully me. And we're gonna need, and then we're gonna need a crowbar. We have this new thing. We don't need that stupid crowbar. See, basically you can save an extra hand. But yeah, let's grab a handy weapon. We could just like die from the spiders and stuff. So that doesn't have ammo, and I don't have extra ammo for that, because I don't own the ammo or anything. Put this in. Oh, put that right there. So, now we're gonna go test this thing in mines. Oh, I'm so slow, I'm too heavy. I should've got the new gather and the new egg launcher. It's not new, but I'm scared. Is my light off? Oh, I'm scared. I don't know where to go. Where's the thing? Where do I go for that thing? I got a revolver, it's okay. We can test it right here. Oh, that's sick. Oh my god, you can run so fast, you just spam, bro. Imagine with 10 billion laser points right in front of you, just go like, oh, be so fast. I can mind that in seconds. Let's put all these before. Right here. Just want to put it. I'm scared. Okay, somewhere over there. I'm going over here. I'm gone. Let's check. Alright. We got our thing. And we're not really fast. I'm not trying to go to the army because they changed it. I think they change it every day or something. Every week or something. But they're really good. They're really good. They're really good to mine. Let's go in sewers and see. They're really good. If I can grab them. Alright. There's your thing. Alright, we're gonna go test it in sewers. So we can see how much do they cost with the green thing. Why did I get my colors messed up? I was about to say blue. Alright, we're gonna go down. test it. Oh my god. What if I just like hang out? And run. Trying to hang on here. No, I'm trying to hang on. How much do they take to kill a chicken? Oh, they start moving. They start moving. They start moving when you get them. Watch. Nah, come over here. Come over here.
One eternity later.
Okay, I don't know how much his because they keep running away. They keep running away.
Million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
I don't know how much hits, but man, you're kind of hungry, you know. Like, there you go. All right, let's finally finish these. Oh, crate! What did I get? Nice. I basically got not that much. Another crate! Another revolver. That's nice. Alright, let's get this gold bar, I guess. Not really worth that good. What the heck? I don't want that. I want the gold bar. And where's my thing? Alright. Alright. Let's go where the... Wait, let's mine these first real quick. Need some money, bro. I used to have 2 million. But then I spent it all on the zombie update. Okay. Alright, I think that's all of it. More spawn? Are you ready? Oh my god, bro. These are too hard. Why am I so high up? Shout out to Javi the bro. Alright, so these saw things are really good. We're gonna try them. They won't shot too, so. Hang up, hang on. I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got my stuff back. Now let's go do the sell machine and see how much we got. The one gold thing in the things, I bet it's gonna be at least like 1,000. Probably 500. Alright, so yeah, I was right, about 500. That's the end of the video. See you guys in the next video. Yeah. I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah. I don't know why my mouth's not moving. I think I'm too quiet. I'm too loud, bro. I can't wake up my baby brother that's all the way in China. Alright, well, see you in the next video. Peace.